Why US give large defense package to Taiwan and why Pakistan gives shocking reaction after PM Modi visit of Oman and how India produced his first homogeneous chip Dhruv 64 and why tension rises in Bangladesh. Watch this video till end because you never find these updates in mainstream media. The United States has announced a multi-billion dollar defense package for Taiwan, including advanced missile, air defense system, surveillance technology, and military training support. Washington says the package is meant to strengthen Taiwan's self-defense capabilities. However, China's view this move as a direct challenge to its sovereignty claims. China's reaction has been sharp and aggressive. Beijing accused the US of playing with fire in the Taiwan Strait and responded with large-scale military drills, naval patrols, and air force activities near Taiwan. Experts warned that Taiwan issue has now become a front line of US-China power rivalry rather than just a cross-strait dispute. India is closely watching these developments because any instability in the Taiwan Strait can impact the Indo-Pacific region and India's ocean security dynamics. Now we move on. Recent Prime Minister Narendra Modi visit Oman. This visit was not just a routine diplomatic engagement, it is being seen as a strategic geopolitical move in the Middle East. Oman is a unique Gulf nation that maintains balance between Iran, Saudi Arabia, and Western powers. India and Oman share long-standing ties based on trade, energy security, and a large Indian diaspora. However, this visit focused strongly on strategic cooperation, defense ties, and maritime security. Oman's location near the Strait of Hormuz, through which nearly 20% of world's oil supply passes. This makes it extremely important for India's energy security. Discussions include naval cooperation, port access, and intelligence sharing. Experts believe India is no longer just positioning itself as a trade partner in the Gulf but as a regional security stakeholder. This visit is also seen as part of India's border strategy to counter China's growing influence under the Belt and Road Initiative. What is your opinion on this update? Now we talk about why tensions rises in Bangladesh. Now the most sensitive development rises in Middle East and in South Asia. Political tension and internal unrest in Bangladesh has been increasing, with protest, opposition movement, and law order and concern rising regional alarm. For India, Bangladesh is not just a neighbor, but a key strategic partner in areas like border security, counter-terrorism, connectivity projects, and regional stability. India's official response has been calm but firm. The government has stated that India supports stability and democratic process in Bangladesh, while making it clear the border security will not be compromised. Security analysts warn that prolonged instability in Bangladesh could directly affect India's northeast state, border regions, and internal security environment. Indian authorities are closely monitoring the situation, with diplomatic and security channels fully active. There are also concerns that external forces may attempt to exploit the situation, which has placed India on high alert. Now we talk about why India produced its first semiconductor chip. India has taken a historic step in technology sector by introducing its first indigenous homogeneous semiconductor chip Dhruv 64. This chip is fully based on Indian design, Indian architecture and a domestic technology ecosystem. Until now, India has heavily depended on foreign countries for semiconductor supply. Dhruv 64 marked the beginning of breaking the dependency. It is a 64-bit high processor, especially developed by Indian government. This chip helps us defense systems, strategic computing, satellite, secure communication, and critical national infrastructure. The homogeneous architecture means all cores are of the same type, ensuring stable performance, better predictability, and enhanced security. According to experts, this is crucial for military and strategic applications. Government officials says Dhruv 64 as a key pillar of Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat. Many analysts believe this chip is not just a product but India's entry ticket into the global semiconductor race, currently dominated by Taiwan and US. Now, the most important question arises: can Drup 64 reduce India's dependency on China and Taiwan dominated chip supply chain? What is your opinion? Comment